We all face moments of doubt, but when self-doubt becomes a pattern, it begins to shape how we think, act, and connect with others. In this video, we'll explore 10 clear psychological and behavioral signs of poor confidence, backed by research, and how to recognize them in yourself or someone you care about. 1. Constant self-criticism. The first and most common sign of low confidence is constant self-criticism. People with poor confidence often replay small mistakes repeatedly in their minds. According to psychologists, this negative self-talk activates the brain's amygdala, the region linked to fear and stress. Instead of learning from experiences, they focus on perceived failure, a mental loop that lowers self-worth even further. 2. Avoidance of eye contact. Avoiding eye contact is another subtle but powerful sign. Studies from the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior show that people with low confidence often reduce direct eye contact to avoid perceived judgment. It's not shyness, it's a defense mechanism. The brain interprets eye contact as confrontation or exposure. 3. Apologizing excessively. Saying, "I'm sorry," too often can also reveal a lack of confidence. People who struggle with self-worth tend to over-apologize to prevent conflict or rejection. Experts from Harvard Health suggest this behavior is rooted in a need for external approval, a way to seek validation from others even in situations that don't require it. 4. Difficulty accepting compliments. When you can't accept a compliment, it's often a reflection of internal disbelief. You might hear people respond with phrases like, "Oh, it's nothing," or "I just got lucky." This modesty may seem polite, but psychologically, it signals imposter feelings, the belief that one's success is undeserved. 5. Fear of taking initiative. Confidence fuels action. People with low self-esteem hesitate to volunteer or take new challenges because they fear failure or judgment. According to cognitive behavioral theory, CBT, this pattern reinforces avoidance. Every time we withdraw, our confidence shrinks a little more. 6. Social withdrawal. Avoiding social situations doesn't always mean introversion, sometimes it's protection. Individuals with poor confidence often fear rejection or embarrassment, so they isolate themselves. This leads to loneliness, which further deepens insecurity, creating a difficult emotional cycle to break. 7. Overdependence on others' opinions. When confidence is low, self-validation disappears. Every decision, from clothing to career, depends on others' opinions. According to research in Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin, people with low self-esteem exhibit higher social comparison behavior, constantly measuring their worth against others. 8. Negative body language. The body often reveals what the mouth hides. Closed-off postures, lowered head, and lack of gestures often indicate insecurity. Body language experts note that confident individuals take up more space, standing tall and using open gestures, while those with poor confidence make themselves smaller. 9. Perfectionism and fear of mistakes. Surprisingly, perfectionism is often a disguise for insecurity. The belief that anything less than perfect is failure keeps people trapped in anxiety and procrastination. This pattern, known as maladaptive perfectionism, is common among those struggling with self-acceptance. 10. Difficulty saying no. A person who cannot say no often fears disappointing others. This lack of assertiveness is a classic indicator of low confidence, prioritizing others' comfort over personal boundaries. Over time, it leads to emotional exhaustion and resentment. Confidence is not about being loud or perfect, it's about self-acceptance. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward rebuilding your inner strength. Start small, speak kindly to yourself, celebrate progress, and remember, confidence grows through consistent action, not overnight success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YK Health and Story for more psychology and life growth content every week.